Disney Toys channel, and I'm really excited to show you your surprise. So let's get it and open it up. Wait, I'm going to start out Toys Troll channel. And here we have 3 trolls running back. Hi guys, welcome to the Disney Trolls channels. And today we have 3 Disney Trolls blind bags. Let's start over all up again.
Okay.
And those troll blind bags are in the drawers you see. Here, look at that. So let's get them in. Open them up. Now, let's get one of our troll bags and let's open it up. Wait! The Disney Trolls blind bags are behind me, and you can see that it's season 2. Well, what's that mean, Mama?
Series 2.
So that means they're smaller size.
I don't know.
Smells like chili. Ew. Can we show them these?
Yeah, if you already earned them. Sure.
No, I don't want to open them.